I've always had a 12 volt to triple 12 volts for your car, I guess. If you guys see that. Normally I have one in that gives me 3 of them, but I'm not in the need for that anymore. I'm in the need for a power outlet, and probably going to put a fast charger in one of them and then use the other one for my dash cam. I went with this brand. It was on sale. There's all the specs. If you guys really want to read them, screenshot it when you can read it, and then look at your screenshots. It's saying they can put out 150 watt out the receptacle. Not going to quite test that. I'm not going to do a video on any of it unless it fails. But we're going to just do the unboxing right now. Just see what it looks like, see what it weighs. I don't really have the stuff to test it. I do have a tester for the top of it, but I have to have it in a car outlet. At the moment, I don't have a car outlet. Oh. That's for a future video. There we go. I think I got this for 15. Oh, cool. They give you little plugs to go into the cigarette lighter area, and an extra fuse, which is super nice for me because sometimes I burn this stuff up when I'm on the road and I need it at the moment. Oh, nice cord. It looks like a house cord. It's not even like round or nothing. So there you go. On and off. Doesn't light up as far as I know. Looks like it'll go right in there and then go down. What is this? Only applied for 12 volt but not 24. That's a weird way of putting the words. But not. The word but not. So it's supposed to have a nice quiet fan in the bottom. Has little razors. I don't know if you guys can see that. It isn't going to fit flush in your cup holder. It's going to raise it up a little bit so maybe it's not catching any water or dirt that's down in there. SUPERONE. It has a hard plastic, so if it's bouncing around in your cup holder, it is going to scratch it. It's not like rubber or anything. There's the outlet, the vent holes clear around it, the USBs, which are slow charge. I'm going to put a quick charge in one of these. Hopefully it works. It's way down in there. Then my GPS will go in another one. Cord looks like it's about 3 foot. I don't want to unwrap it because this is how I'm doing it. Oh, they put a wrap on it, plus a twisty tie. Take the twisty tie off there. That's pretty nice. And then them plugs go right in there to hide it. If you're not using them, that's pretty cool. I like that. You bought it for that use, so I don't know, like you could buy one cheaper without them if you didn't want that. Looks like there's going to be a status light in the center. I think you guys can see that. See that little light right there? That's probably the light for this, saying if you tripped it, needs reset. If it needs reset, most likely just unplug it, plug it back in. And in a while, I'll give you guys a update on this. See how well it's doing. Thanks for watching.